First, sudden weight loss. One of the most important symptoms that indicate the presence of cancer is unwanted weight loss, especially when weight is lost suddenly within 1 or 2 months, as the most common cancer begins with weight loss before any other symptoms appear and originates in the digestive system, especially colon cancer. Malignant diseases in the liver and pancreas, as well as lymphoma and leukemia, all cause a sharp decrease in body weight, so we must be careful, go to the doctors, and do the necessary tests. Second, abdominal bloating. Bloating, which appears especially in women, is one of the symptoms of ovarian cancer. Other symptoms of this type of cancer are pain in the abdomen or in the pelvic area, feeling full without eating a lot of food, and also problems in the urinary system, which leads to constant urination. If you suffer from bloating every day and this condition lasts more than 1 week, you should definitely go to the doctor. Third, changes in the breast. If a woman sees a change in the shape of the breast other than the changes that occur during menstruation and the appearance of lumps in the breast, she must take this situation seriously and take into consideration those lumps that affect the breast and not neglect them and check them. Awareness and vigilance of the early symptoms and signs of breast cancer can save your life. When the disease is detected in its early initial stages, the treatments available are broader and more diverse, and the chances of complete recovery are very high. Most lumps that are discovered in the breast are not malignant. However, the most common early sign of breast cancer in both women and men is the appearance of a lump or thickening in the breast tissue. This lump is often painless. Fourth, continuous bleeding. If bleeding occurs continuously, especially for women who have a regular menstrual period, the situation must be taken seriously, and also for women who have bleeding when they're between the ages of 45 and 50, as these symptoms may be evidence of the presence of some type of gynecological cancer. Fifth, emergency skin changes. Caution should be exercised when skin changes appear, such as melasma, moles, or any skin changes such as skin bleeding, spots, and skin allergies, which are symptoms of skin cancer. As skin cancer is an abnormal proliferation of skin cells that arises and develops in most cases on skin that is frequently exposed to sunlight, such as the hands and the spaces between the toes. However, this common type of cancer can also develop in areas of the skin that are not exposed to sunlight much, such as the face, scalp, lips, ears, neck, and chest. Sixth, difficulty in swallowing. If you find that food remains stuck in the esophagus, or difficulty or pain when swallowing in a way that you are not accustomed to, and the voice changes for several weeks, and you begin to drink fluids continuously, you must pay attention, as this may be evidence of esophageal cancer. Seventh, the presence of blood in the stool. When blood appears in the stool, many people may think that it is a symptom of hemorrhoids, but one of the symptoms of colon cancer is the appearance of blood in the stool. Therefore, this must be confirmed by going to the doctor and having a colonoscopy done to find out the real cause. Eighth, severe abdominal pain. When feeling pain in the abdominal area, in the upper part or in the back, along with nausea, fatigue, and loss of appetite, necessary tests must be done, as scientists believe that it is a symptom of pancreatic cancer. Ninth, indigestion. When you notice a feeling of fullness after eating small amounts of food or indigestion, especially for pregnant women who suffer from indigestion, this may not be a symptom of pregnancy, but rather evidence of stomach cancer. 10th, the appearance of changes in the mouth. One of the early symptoms of mouth cancer that you should pay attention to is the appearance of white or red sores in the mouth, in the inner part of the mouth, or problems with the teeth, and severe pain in the mouth or the presence of white spots on the tongue. In this case, quickly visit a dentist or a specialist doctor to confirm and find out the main reason. 11th, constant pain. Constant feeling of pain without recovery from it and for a long time in the same places. Cancer causes different types of pain at its beginning, and they differ from one type to another in terms of pain, such as brain tumors that cause headaches. Cancers of the head, neck, and esophagus also cause pain when swallowing. As the cancers grow, the first symptoms are mild and then worsen continuously and steadily until they reach severe pain with enlargement. The pain results from pressure from the cancer or corrosion of the body's nerves. Don't ignore these symptoms and go immediately to the doctor to make sure and do the necessary tests. 12th, changes occurring in the lymph nodes. When you feel night sweats or difficulty in your throat when swallowing food, a lack of energy, or unusual itching, in this case, lymphoma must be suspected. If the tumor increases within 1 month or more, this means that there's a great risk to you, and therefore you must remove it without hesitation. 13th, persistent fever. When you develop a fever without any reason, you should suspect cancer, as fever is often a symptom of leukemia, as well as feeling permanent fatigue and frequent infections, noticing enlargement of the liver or spleen, and the appearance of bruises in the body. 14th, severe fatigue. Severe fatigue, like many other diseases, is also a sign of cancer and is one of the early complaints that occur to a cancer patient, similar to what we see in the advanced stages of cancer, as fatigue in general is one of the symptoms of stomach and colon cancer. Fatigue is also accompanied by constipation, diarrhea, abdominal bloating, and the constant occurrence of gas. 15th, severe cough. Cough is a symptom of a cold, and if the cough continues for a long period of time, extending to 3, 4, or 5 weeks, one must be careful and go to a doctor who specializes in chest diseases, especially a cigarette smoker, to check his lung condition, as he may have lung cancer without even knowing it. 16th, changes under the nails. Changes under the nails are a symptom of many types of cancer. Black and brown dots of lines under the nails are considered an indication of the presence of skin cancer. If the nails are white or pale in color, liver cancer is likely. Skin cancer also causes weakness in the nails, which leads to them breaking and also bleeding in the nails without any injury.